Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Battlefield 6 crashing on Xbox or not launching or lagging or showing black screen or any kind of other issues. So let's go through it. The first method is to check network connection. So if there is any kind of connection problem, then crashing issue can occur. So you are suggested to check for a stable connection and then try to play the game. Or else you can also use another hotspot to see if this works for you, and then try to launch the game and check if it works. Next is to check for Xbox updates. You should make sure that your Xbox console is updated to the latest version and not running on outdated one. So for that, open settings on your Xbox, now select system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and click it to begin updating. After that, try to launch the game and check if it's working now. Next method is to clear Xbox cache. For that, press Xbox symbol. Now move down and select settings. After that, go to system, select console info. Here click on reset console. After that, select reset and keep my games and apps. And after that, try to launch the game and check if it works. Next method is to check storage. Make sure there is enough storage available to play the game smoothly. For that, go to Xbox button, click on profile and system. After that, click on settings, then on system and then on storage option. Here check whether there is any available space or not. If there is no space, then simply delete some unused tabs or game to create some space and then try to launch the game and check if it works. Next solution is to check for Battlefield 6 update. Apart from console, you should also ensure that a game is updated and not running on outdated version. This is because the developers often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve the performance. So make sure to check for update option and then try to launch the game. Next is to check for overheating. You should also check if your Xbox is overheated and you are facing the issue because of it. So you should take care of it and make sure no such kind of objects is leading to heat up. You can go to settings, then click on system, console info, and here you can check for temperature. If it's high, then make it cool by placing it in a cooler area or wait for some time unless it becomes cool down and then try to play the game. Next is to delete saved data. For that, open Xbox settings, click on my games and apps, select see all option, then click on games, and here select game title, then click on menu button and then click on manage game and add-ons and then save data. Here delete the saved data and then restart your console. After that, try to play the game and check if it works. Next is to remove and re-add account. For that, click on Xbox button. After that, click on settings under profile and system, then go to account, then click on remove accounts. Here select the account to remove and finally click on remove. After that, again add your account to Xbox and then try to launch the game and check if you can play it without any issue. If not, the next solution is to reinstall Battlefield 6 game. So you need to press Xbox button controller. After that, go to my games and apps, then select see all option. Here select your game, then press on menu button and then finally click on uninstall. After the game is uninstalled or removed, now again go to the Battlefield 6 official website or wherever you want to download the game. Download it, reinstall and then try to play the game and check if the issue is fixed. If nothing works for you, then it's time to take help from support team. So the next solution is to contact support. So when nothing works, then it's time to contact the Xbox support team and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know if they are unknown about the error. They will better guide you what to do and hopefully the error will be resolved and you can play the game hassle free. So these are some suggested solutions to fix Battlefield 6 game crashing or not launching or not loading on Xbox. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.